everyone. I don't know if you've ever seen this Irish butter, but this is what I've been using. I'm not sure, but I think it's organic. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And I don't have any special recipe. I just know I'm sleepy and I want to eat before I go to bed. And I got about 4 more pieces of chicken I got to make. And it's clearly not going to hold the 5 I took out. Unless I work some magic in here. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Coral, this is not a new pan. This is a pan I already had probably since last Christmas. My mother bought me a Rachel Ray set. This is my other pan, but I am trying to find another one so I can replace it. But it's going to stay here until I do. And I'm going to turn my pot down. I have some flavors that I'm interested in. I'm just going to put my stuff together, put the top on, let the pot cook itself because I need to rest. So it's going to cook down and make itself what it's going to make. I'm not draining out any liquid, just so you know. I'm not draining out any liquid. None whatsoever. That's my new best friend. I was going to chop up an onion, but I see some onion pieces here. I'm not really sure I should be putting onion in what I'm trying to do to it. I purchased some of this, but what is this used for? I know I wanted to try something, but I don't know what that's for. I just have it up in my cabinet. I am gonna try. I don't know how it's gonna work out. I'm gonna try to make some string beans because I buy them and I don't use them. So I said I was gonna take some out, the pan out, and try to use it. any of my food. I'm gonna eat for a couple of days. I'm gonna offer my neighbor a plate. But I took out a few meals out of the freezer. I couldn't eat them. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't eat them. So I have about maybe four more bowls in there. I'm almost positive I'm not gonna eat them. They're not freezer burned or anything. It's just the taste, and I don't like it. I thought it was something wrong, but when I was in the group this morning, one of the women said she can't eat frozen food after it was frozen as well. So that's why she doesn't cook enough to have leftovers. So I kind of felt I understood her. I tried. I have some things now I can eat, like if I make pasta with bacon and cheese and stuff like that. I can have that all week long. But this chicken soup, and I can't do that. No, it doesn't taste good to me. So I just took a bowl with chicken and everything I put together. I couldn't eat it. I threw it out. And I don't want to throw out any more food. Food is so hard to come by, You just don't know when things are gonna go bad and you lose whatever you have. I was in another group this morning, and the lady was feeling bad because she was telling how she ate some beans and some type of, I guess, like a chuck meat, and she made it into something else. And it's amazing how people feel they can comment and make you feel bad, when you have no other resources to eat. But times are so hard, man. Even when you have it, sometimes you don't have it. But you have to look at it another way as well. If you have enough money for all those other fillings, and you can't eat, something needs to be reevaluated. Something really does. My back is killing me. Ooh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This smells so good. I went to the Dollar Tree today, and I got this ketchup, and I picked it up. I never saw it before. I picked it up because it was on one of my sites, and I saw it with the coupon, so I said, let me try it. But before I put it on my food, you best believe. You best believe. I'm gonna try this baby. I like this ketchup. I like this ketchup. Okay, I'll be going to get me some more. Now, I might have to get some soy sauce too. Woo! So they have one of those pops. Now, I don't know if I should be putting in Worcestershire sauce. I don't believe so. But to help me with a little bit of pain, I don't have any, but to make sure, I'm gonna put some paprika in my food. Ooh, that's hot. I don't know. I think I need a little vinegar in there. I got a taste that I'm looking for. I got two tastes actually I'm looking for. So I think I need a little touch of vinegar in this. When I say touch, that's all I put in there. Ooh, yeah. I love this little thing. You see how much of my sauce that I'm getting out of this bowl? Boys and girls. Now I'm going to turn it down because I do not want my beauty to just run out of the pot. I forgot how you say it, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is on 2. This is on 8. Oh yeah. This smells good. Now this chicken has sofrito on it, and I'm gonna put some Goya on it, and I'm just gonna let the onions cook down. And this pan has to be replaced. You know, it's horrible when you tell a person not to put metal into your pot. I don't care what kind of pot it is, but when you tell somebody not to do something and they do it, and oh wow. So now it's time for water. I'm actually looking for another can of tomatoes. I want to put tomatoes in it. And I'm not having any luck, but this smells delicious. Ooh, these peppers. This smells delicious. Oh, the liquid in that pot looks beautiful. I hate cooking on this eye. Oh, and Coral, no, this is not a different stove. It's just that I'm not used to using this side. If you look in the video, you'll see I was standing by this wall. But usually I'm standing right here. So I'm going to turn my pot to 8. Now I'm going to check this. Ooh! Oh, this is beautiful. And what I love about my refrigerator is when I put it in the back, it stays so good. Plus, I have these bags. Oh boy. Can't show you because they're all gone. But I'll show you one right here. I have these little bags. I purchased them from, I think it's called Daiso, the Japanese store, and I'm telling you, they keep your food so good. This is a cookie that I made last month. But let me see. And I had some of this salami last night. This is the salami that I put in here. Delicious salami. I was thinking I would like to do something with it. I eat it, you know, just like a snack. But I would like to do something with it other than have a snack. Wow, I didn't even know. Oh boy. But I'm gonna take out some rice and see if I can manage to salvage that while I have my dinner preparing. But I'm going to lay down for a short while, and I believe this is good enough. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.